Good morning, guys. I don't know how else to put this except I truly think some of you are minutes away, if not hours away, from making really, really bad decisions in your portfolio. This morning, I do this every Friday. I just got done talking to all of our members in what's called our future forecast. And I want to just read this to you guys because I feel like there's a lot of people that are watching this video right now that feel this exact same thing. If you are panicking, if you are thinking of selling, or you guys need a good risk management plan, I want you guys to watch this. Yes, it is $59 a month. And yes, I do believe it's going to probably make some of you guys tens of thousands of dollars by implementing this risk management strategy. My wife and I are doing this. We have hundreds, probably actually a few thousand people following along with this risk management strategy we have in this market right now, where we are going to set ourselves up to make a lot of money. I've transparently said here on YouTube that we are going to be taking this account over $1 million past the halving event, and we have a plan for it. Here's my account, guys. I do this on YouTube to show you guys transparency. I think when people can be like, oh, this guy's actually got some money behind what he's talking about. He's got, $209,000. And here, let me show you guys something even more transparent. Here is my break even for the year. My break even is $232,000. So I am in a loss right now for all the money we put into this year. $232,000 is an actual exact break even. And this is exactly everything I own in crypto. And the reasonings of why I own this, we call this the BlackRock list as well. So, because we know what BlackRock's looking to invest into, and we're investing into those coins, and we think they're going to make us a ton of money. And if you guys want to see that, watch the future forecast. But what I wanted to drive home this morning, and we're going to go over technical analysis in this video. I'll show you the exact percentage chance of a pump on the weekly, the daily, the 4 hour, and the 15 minute, because I know a lot of you guys love to see that. But can I just take a moment right now before you guys go to these other YouTube videos out there? And I'm not trying to bash them at all. You're going to hear a bunch about Evergrande today. You're going to hear about how they're crashing the market. You're going to hear about a lot of on-chain data, how the volume of Bitcoin is super low right now, the lowest in the history. But I want to take all those charts, get them out of your mind for 1 second, and I want to bring it back to this point. I talked to you guys about two points to consider this morning in our future forecast, and I want to kind of touch on this. If you guys have over-leveraged or you don't believe there's a future in crypto, you're doing something really, really wrong, okay? If you are not excited right now about this drop and you're frustrated, then you do not have a good risk management plan. And do not take this as me trying to bash you or anything like that. It is to drive home the point of you guys must have a plan where you have more money on the side coming into the markets. Because here's the thing, do you not want to make the most money in crypto? I'm about to show you a study here real quick. I'm going to use Algorand as an example because I think Algorand is an absolutely completely undervalued coin that's going to make a ton of money and is our number one holding. I need you guys to see this. Come over here, and I know this is a simple study, but I need to drive this home. We're going to go from here and we're going to go up to this level. It's about 108%, okay? I do believe in a worst case scenario that we could see about 5 to 6 cents for Algorand if Bitcoin really crashes out because of this. Hold that thought I just said about Algorand. Now think of this. BlackRock, Fidelity, all these institutions, they want to drive Bitcoin as low as possible before the spot ETF comes out so they can make the most money on it. That is the truth. And my light just turned on. That was awesome. So follow this study over here. If you guys were to have bought in where I did, I'm using myself as an example, or you would have just bought in at the low here, or just the simple double bottom, you guys are making now basically a 1.5x profit potential. There is not a single place in all of trading, in all of money-making potential that I can find anywhere where if you are just patient and letting the market drop down, that you can make so much more money. We're talking 2, 3, 4x potential on some of the money you guys have put into the market already. And if you guys don't have a plan where we are literally taking live trades every single Tuesday for the next 34 weeks in our membership. So if you guys are like, I need a risk management plan, I want to see someone else put their money where their mouth is, give me on-chain data to show me how they're going to trade this market, how they're literally going to try to make over $1 million, and I want to join them, I got to be careful how I say this, guys, but we're going to do it. We are going to do it because I am so confident about this plan. I've already been through the crashes in the crypto market. Let me show this to you guys real quick. And I'm going to end with some analysis here. I'm going to make this a faster video because I want to get you guys this data here. How many of you guys, just ask yourself this, because it's something you need to understand. Like, be humble enough to say, all right, I know or I don't know. I was on YouTube here making YouTube videos. Actually, let me come out here. Sorry, I'm going to get a marker out here for us so I can mock this up. I was on YouTube here recording videos from this point on. Okay, I've had money in the market from this point on. So I have actually been through this bull run, all the way through this bear run. I've been through this bull run, been through this bear run, been through this bull, and been through this bear, okay? I've been through 3 bear markets already. And I'm telling you guys, there are two questions you need to ask yourself. And if you say yes to either one of these, you better be changing your portfolio like yesterday. Okay, and I'm going to save it for our members. And again, these are videos for our members. So if you guys are members, watch that future forecast because you really need to make some changes in your account really like right now, today, if you guys answer yes to either of those questions. And you will understand why I say that. Okay, this market could go down to this level here of $21,000. Okay, that's not unrealistic. Let me give ourselves a little bit of a... just a quick technical analysis here. If you guys look at the 50% Fibonacci retracement, the high of this is at $23,000, the bottom of this is at $21,000. We could be coming back to this golden zone here and then seeing it bounce back up. The scariest part that I think a lot of people were scared about was simply just the break of this ascending support line. And I agree, this is a weekly candle, guys. That is a huge bearish weekly candle. Oh, and by the way, this is why we use these indicators, and if I have time, I'll show this to you guys of where to get these, but they're in the description. We watch this. We'll look at this on the daily time frame. Do you guys know that we're below the 50, we're below the 100, and we're below the 200-day moving average? This is extremely bearish. Now, let me show you guys one more sign you should be a little concerned about if you don't have good risk management and have a plan. Do you guys understand that the moment we go down below $24,000, this uptrend is officially, technically over? I know, big words here. And you're like, Travis, what are you talking about? Well, do you guys understand this principle? There are only 2 qualifications for an uptrend in any market. That is higher highs and higher lows, period. There's only 2 qualifications for a downtrend, lower highs and lower lows. What we've been in is a qualified uptrend, and it has been based off these 2 parameters: low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, squeaked out barely a higher high. And the moment we go to what's called a low, high, lower low, that is where the uptrend is broken. Okay, this is what a lot of people are watching for. The only saving grace, let me get closer to the microphone. The only saving grace, guys, we have on Bitcoin is a bounce of a double bottom formation. And that is what we're looking for right here. And it's right at this level of the quarters theory, which is very in favor. It is a quarters theory level of $25,000 that we're all looking for the bounce from. But I will tell you this right now, guys. The people who are watching this future forecast this morning are probably one of the most excited people. I hope this market crashes in the next 2 to 3 months. I hope it crashes, because the money we show that you guys are going to make is going to be absolutely insane. And look, you only get about 6 more months to make the most money ever in the next 48 months. Did you hear that, guys? You only have about 6 months to make the most money you probably will ever make in crypto in the next 24 to 48 months. What are you doing panicking? You are panicking because you do not believe crypto has a future or because you have over leveraged. And that is period. And I'm going to shoot it to you straight. You have done one of those things. And if you have done one of those things, get into that future forecast, watch it, because I give you guys a risk management plan of what you guys can do. I'm not a financial advisor, but please heed some advice from someone who's been through 3 bear markets already and is working on trading their account up to $1 million. Okay, let me leave this with you guys. I think you guys are going to like this. So on the 1 week time frame, we are at a 55% chance of a drop. On the daily time frame, we are at an 88% chance of a pump. On the 4-hour, we're at a 96% chance of a pump. And on the 15-minute, we are at a 78% chance of a pump. What do you guys see with this data here? On the daily, the 4-hour, and the 15-minute, we have insane signs. We are officially down into what's called the long trade zone. Sorry, I'm going to pull over here. The long trade zone for the daily. We are in the long trade zone for the 4-hour, and we are officially in the long trade zone for the 15-minute. I'm telling you guys, this is the most accurate indicator ever coded on TradingView to give you guys a percentage chance of a pump in the market. We use this for our scalping trades, and we hold the highest win record ever recorded on YouTube for scalping trades for crypto. Okay, these tools work. This is what's called trades in favor. It's in the description under our link to the indicators. Become a member and I'll give you guys a crazy discount. I'll share that with you in a second. But this data is very, very bullish on these lower time frames. And this is where it's like, man, this Tuesday, coming up here, guys, we're putting another $1,000 to $1,500 in the market this Tuesday. And we're going to do this for the next 34 weeks. And we're specifically going to pick coins that have experienced a drop that match up with what BlackRock is looking to invest into so we can make the most money. I told you guys on the last future forecast, as well as the last video I posted here on YouTube, that we were looking to make 8,000, which was a 5x multiple on the money we put in last Tuesday. The money we're about to put in this Tuesday, if the market stays down here, we are looking at a 6 to 7x multiple, and we're picking the specific coins. We are not going to be releasing that to YouTube at all because it's for our paying subscribers. We've done the research. We know the coins that are looking to blast off the highest based off BlackRock qualifications that Larry Fink has actually come out and spoken publicly, and we have that data, and we're excited to share that with you guys and actually take some trades on Tuesday. So snag a membership in the description. I'll do this very quickly. I'm sorry I don't have this viewed on here. I wanted to make room for my face, but go to tradeconfident.io. There's a comment. There's a description below this video on YouTube. Click the little button down. It'll open up, and I think the first link, it says join membership. It will bring you guys to a page. It is $59 a month. It is very cheap. It is extremely reasonable, guys. Click subscribe. Then I want you guys to go over to the Telegram channel. First thing to do is just get into the Telegram channel. Anybody can actually do this. All the links in the Telegram channel, you have to be logged in to view it. But we're going to call all of our scalping trades out here. By the way, we just called 2 more scalping trades this morning. I think you guys are going to like that. View our trade setups right here. We are 63 wins, 0 losses. The future forecast is under future forecast. I just came out with a video this morning on the 18th. I came out with another one on the 15th, and every Tuesday and Friday we come out with videos. So watch these videos, guys. If you want to get the indicators I was talking about, the trades in favor, this truly is the most accurate indicator. Get our Pro Bundle Pack. It will save you guys the most money. Become a member after this video. Pay $59, guys, after this video. I'm being forward about this, but I promise you guys are going to probably save yourselves a ton of money, and one click could screw you guys up in your profit making potential for a very long time, and I'll explain that. Pay the $59, and then on top of that, once you guys get into the membership, we're going to immediately give you guys $150 off our bundle pack of indicators. So you'll pay $59, and we're going to give you 2.5 months of free membership. Click access coupon code here to get the indicators. And then on top of that, if you guys want the top and bottom finder, we're going to give you guys $300 off just for being a member. This is why a lot of people are getting a membership with us, because we're giving you guys basically, 4 or 5 months of free membership just with free coupon codes. And we do not release any of these coupon codes to the public. It's only for members. So we'll pay for your membership once you get in for about 4 or 5 months. You'll then get to watch everything. And look, if you guys want to watch everything for a month and you want to cancel after a month, cancel. You guys won't be charged for the next month. All right, enough sales. Get into the membership and watch what I've got to show you guys, because I think it's going to bless you guys a lot today. All right, if you're not excited, you're doing something wrong. Watch the future forecast, set up a risk management plan, adjust your portfolios if needed. I'll show you exactly what I'm doing, and you guys can feel free to copy that if you want. I'm not a financial advisor, but I think you're going to get what you need out of that. All right, guys, I love you. God bless you, and I'll see you guys in the next video on Tuesday. Bye, guys.